Good day, great listeners of Espas Life Coach and Health Arena. Espas St. Pius Assault Care Services Life Coach and Health Arena. We are here providing helping hands to do what I need of this. This day we are going to be discussing something very unique. This is my month of marital anniversary. It's a beautiful month, and for that we are going to be discussing relationship marriages. And you may be wondering why am I wearing face mask alone? It's to commemorate with our brothers in India and other parts of the world who are going through the third phase, probably the fourth surge of COVID-19, and to remind us again that COVID is real. Keep on observing social distance, wear your face mask, and do the right thing. Whatever we have been doing that have kept us safe so far is adherence to normal precaution, adherence to basic infection control practices. Keep on adhering to it. So as part of our marriage anniversary, which I want to wish myself a beautiful marriage anniversary and my beautiful wife, is to also dedicate this month, probably June, as we'll be discussing around marriage and relationship. And our topic for today is, why am I not married? This topic becomes very important to me because the number of questions I get during my life coach sessions from single ladies, single brothers. It is simple. Listen, and surely, once you apply some of the reasons why you are not married, you're able to turn this weakness and you apply the right things into yours, overcome them, you will get married anytime soon. Listen attentively. Don't forget, this is the acronym villa, where we discuss things across the acronym line. Only an acronym like abbreviation. So our topic also will be discussing the acronym for discussing why am I not married is cycle. Because why am I using the acronym cycle? Most of us have been dancing in cycle. We have been working in cycle without being able to get married, even unable to even get partner as adults. What are some of the reasons responsible for this? One, don't forget we're using the acronym cycle. The first reason why most people are not married, and which I keep on telling you in our life coach session, is very simple. Is what? Character trait deficiency. That is good character deficiency. Because you're using the C, character trait deficiency. That is good character deficiency. Many of us are unable to get married because our character is something else. Our character is so repugnant that nobody wants to get close to you. This is not to castigate anybody. It's an opportunity for you to take an inward look into your life and look at some of those things, some of those your character that are chasing men away. When you look at some of those characters, work on them. Definitely you're going to get a partner that will look down your way. Many people have so many character deficiency in their way they approach to people, in the way they talk, in the way they insult, in their complete lack of respect. No man will want to approach you as a lady when you have a good character deficiency. Work on that. Once you work on that, you are sure that you may get a partner, probably get engaged soon. You might thank us later. Then don't forget we're using the word cycle. Then the word is the I in cycle. Why you are not getting married to? Probably most people's what? Indecent dressing, indecent fashion style. Let me tell you, indecent dressing does not attract husbands. It attracts sexual partners. Indecent dressing attracts those who want to gratify the pleasures of their loin. Nothing does it satisfy you. Few occasions you may have people who have got mature process. What guarantees you marriage is smart dressing, good dressing. Many men are attracted to men who are decently dressed for the sake of sexual gratification. You must dress smartly. Because once you dress well, men will be attracted to you. And at the same time, they want to keep you at home because they know you are not likely. Your indecent dressing scare most people away. Then we're using the word cycle. Then with the arrow, the many of the people is that the arrow in the cycle is that we continue to relieve, continue to roll out defenses. Many people are not getting partners today because probably they have a bad life experience. Probably their previous relationship was very good. Is there a reason why you should not open up for a new relationship? Leave their defenses. Some ladies, when you see their defenses, my Jesus, you can't even approach them. Because they have built like a wall of defense in their father, no more is emigrant minds are free to penetrate such work. So the walls of defenses around you, because of past experiences, you have carried the load for so long. Let it down. Losing up so that somebody can approach and talk to you. Leave your past relationship where they are. Take it as if you have paid a sacrifice for a future, a better relationship as from today. Stop because of what you have seen before. Completely, you don't want to open your heart to somebody. How will you get married? Through such processes. The other reason why you are not married today is the L in the cycle is load of rules, low self-esteem. Many of us have more rules than the country. We have more rules than the House of Assembly. We are so picky. There's nothing wrong in having rules and regulations of the man you want to be, but you must be ready to strike a balance. You must be ready to compromise. You want to marry a tall, dark, handsome, doctor, businessman, rich. My brother, my sister. Take it easy. Even you, the brothers, the girl must be tall, the girl must be beautiful, the girl must be working. You don't want to compromise. You will stay so long. You must be ready to compromise. Even after some of those weekends you have seen that pattern, you work on it during your relationship, your courtship. Probably they will turn to strengths. Your loads of rules are too much. Look for a way to strike a balance. Look for a way to compromise some edges. That's some of the reasons why you're not getting married. Your loads of rules are too much. Some of us could be due to low self-esteem. I'm not beautiful enough. I'm not shapy enough. No, you are beautiful the way you are. You are so marvelous. You are beautifully made for someone. For no matter how you are created, there is someone that will love you just the way you are. So prepare yourself for that particular one. Then the other reason why you're not getting married, when you're not married today, is what I call the E, extramural laziness. Extramural simply means all things outside your normal things. Most of us ladies, most of us gents, the only thing we do is just for us to go to work, come back from your work, you go to church on Sunday, nothing else. Husband or partners cannot come at your comfort zone. At times, I advise lady, go to that marriage ceremony. You may not even be invited. You get love in unusual places. They are not the place planned. When have you been to a club? Yes. When has you been? No. Your extramural laziness is too much. Wake up. When you're back from work, stroll out. On Saturday, go to the next marriage. Go to the church congregation. We never can know when loss will hit you. Once again, some of the reasons why you're not married today are simply captured in the acronym cycle, with the C simply meaning character trait deficiency, the good character trait deficiency. Some of your characters are questionable. Work on it. You should have it in your story. The other reason why you may not be getting married are indecent dressing. Indecent dressing does not attract husbands. It attracts male who are interested in their sexual gratifications. The other reason you are not getting married, which we call the arrow, continuing ruling out defenses because of what happened in your relationship. Let that be. Let it be your pay a sacrifice, a better relationship now. Free yourself from that mental torture and open your heart to a new person. Open your heart does not equal opening your legs. Please, open your heart to a new person and weigh the option. Then the other reason why you are probably not married today is load of rules, low self-esteem. The rules are too many. You are too picky. There's nothing wrong in having rules, but you must do your best to ensure that you compromise, you strike the balance. You must do your best that during the course of the relationship, you try to turn those weaknesses into strengths. Please, I will encourage you now. Do not say the person will change in marriage, change in a relationship, otherwise you may regret the marriage. Take that to bank. Do not believe the person will change in marriage. Let the person change in courtship before you think of marriage, before you are thinking of marriage. Then the other reason probably you are not married is extramural laziness. You are back from work, or you are indoor 24 hours of the day. Where do you expect a husband to come from? You may get on the internet, which are popular of today. People are getting the wrong people. Go out. Go to the next marriage. Go to clubs. Enjoy yourself. You get love in the most unusual way. You do not expect to get love just by sitting in one place, expecting love to come and meet you. I hope somebody understands this message. This message is for somebody. Give us the feedback. When you have a personal, we need a personal life coach session, contact us. We'll tell you what to do to get married. A lot of testimony are so much for people who have been blessed through our life coach and marriage coaching services. Thank you, and once again, happy anniversary to us. Don't give up. Don't begin to think that, oh, am I not getting more than 40? No. Take this to bank now. Whatever sacrifice you have paid in your whatever suffering you had in your previous relationship, whatever happened to you, there are sacrifices you are paying now, there are expenses you are taking, they are getting now for a better relationship. Please do not give up on your marriage matter. I see you're getting married. Turn your weakness into strength and try to strike a balance in your horizontal relation. Definitely, you are going to get married soon. Definitely, you are going to get married soon. Don't forget, our life-changing book is coming. It is called the Marriage Core Courses and Secrets. It can help the singles, it can help the married person. It's a fantastic book. When you get it, your life will never be the same. Your marriage will turn to good. Your single relationship will turn to a marital relationship. I can guarantee you that. God bless you. Once again, keep holding on. Definitely, your marriage is certain. Turn your weakness. Be truthful to yourself. Turn your weakness to strength. A right husband and partner shall come. God bless you.